In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Office 365 environment before rolling out Microsoft 365 Copilot across your organization. Before enabling Copilot, it's important to understand one key point. Copilot only works within the permissions your users already have. That means if someone can access a file, Copilot can reference and summarize that content for them. So the first thing you should do is conduct a data access audit. Review who currently has access to sensitive files across SharePoint and OneDrive. This helps you identify content that may be visible to more people than intended, and it gives you a clear picture of where your biggest risks are before Copilot is introduced. Next, restrict organizational oversharing. In many environments, broad sharing links and overly open permissions are common, especially in older sites or folders that were created for convenience. To reduce unnecessary exposure, turn off broad sharing links and limit organization-wide access wherever possible. The goal here is simple. Employees should only be able to see the content that is relevant to their role. Tightening this access now will help ensure Copilot only pulls from the right information. After that, implement sensitivity labels in Microsoft Purview. These labels allow you to tag confidential documents based on how sensitive they are. More importantly, they can automatically apply protections, such as restricting permissions. This is especially useful for documents that contain private or business critical information because it helps prevent protected content from being surfaced to unauthorized users through Copilot. The next layer is data loss prevention, or DLP. Enable DLP policies so you can set rules that block sensitive information from being extracted or shared improperly. This includes things like customer records, financial data, and other regulated information. With the right policies in place, you reduce the chance of important data leaving your environment in ways it shouldn't. You should also enforce multi-factor authentication and conditional access. Make sure every user signs in securely using strong credentials and require access from approved devices before Microsoft 365 services can